Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. That's my dog, he wants outside. You can't go outside right now, I'm shooting a video. Do you want to say hi to everybody? He's tilting his head. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I wanted to start a couple Valentine's Day videos. So for this video, don't mind my dog. For this video, I wanted to make a really cute tree stump cake, a realistic tree stump cake, with two little owls inside. It's right here. It's really cute. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Let's get started. It's like a farm. I live in a farm. Dogs barking, cats meowing, I can't. Gotta love them though. I just wanted to remind you guys to send in your clips so that you can be featured in my videos. I would love for you guys to be a part of it. So yeah, again, I'm gonna do a demonstration. Hi, my name's Yolanda and I'm from Cincinnati and you're watching Epic Confections. Let's do it! Just like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright? Thanks.
Hi, I'm Anna from Queens, New York, and you're watching Epic Confections. Let's do it!
So to start, I have here 3 7-inch round chocolate cakes. I'm just leveling off the tops, flipping them upside down, making sure that they're nice and level. And then I'm going to be stacking them up to make sure that they are all good to go. Next, I am filling the layers with a chocolate buttercream and just stacking it up. I just put a little bit of buttercream on my board so the cake will stick nicely. I did put the cake towards the back of the board, and here I'm just carving out a heart shape, making sure that the carving is nice and deep. Next, I have my container full of hot water, a regular sized spatula, and a small spatula that I actually bent with a curve in it. And next, I'm just going to start with the inside of the heart, just filling it up with a little bit of chocolate buttercream, making sure that there's no crumbs in there, and I just start smoothing it out with that hot water. Next, taking that chocolate buttercream in my piping bag, and I am icing the entire cake. However, I'm not icing the top of the cake. That's going to be a separate color. Here, taking my small spatula, I'm really taking the time to carve out that heart shape so that it's nice and defined. Next, using my large spatula, I am just making some lines, some vertical lines, straight up and down. And look at that, kind of looks like bark already. So here I have 4 separate color buttercreams. I have a light brown, I have a white, and then I didn't want to mix all the colors together right away because I wanted to have some different shades. So I have 2 different shades of green. And here I'm just randomly putting them all over the cake. I did start with the lighter colors first, and I'm going over those lighter colors with some dark colors. And you'll see a little later, I do keep adding on layers of color. Here I have a painter's brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into my hot water and just dragging it vertically straight up and down and blending all those colors, and it gives it actually a really nice texture. Look at that. As I said before, here I'm just adding in a little bit more highlight and taking my brush and just brushing it straight up and down. You'll see I add some chocolate buttercream as well. again, this is all about layering your colors, layering textures, until you're happy with it. And just right on the top of the cake, I put some light brown buttercream, and I'm smoothing it out as best as I can. And then just putting a little bit of chocolate dollops on the top and smoothing it out to give you that kind of ring that you see on the top of a sawed-off piece of wood. And just taking a cleaning cloth and dabbing off all that excess water from the paintbrush. And there you have it. Look at that. I love it. It looks so cute. Next, we're going to work on our owls. I just have a piece of white fondant. I'm not using a roller. I'm just using my palm. And I'm just pressing it out. So I decided on an owl shape, a really simple owl shape. And here I'm just cutting one of the owls out. There he is. Look at him. And then here, I'm putting that piece back together so the owls fit nicely, and I'm just cutting out a smaller owl. And there they are. They're really cute. And when you put them together, it kind of makes a heart shape. Aww. So then I flipped them over so that they're facing the other way. And I'm taking my Wilton ball tool here and I'm just indenting where the eyes are. Next, I just took one of my Wilton precision tools and I dipped it into some black food gel. And I'm just making some details. So I'm just dotting around the eyes and going in and doing semicircles for the eyes, and then giving them some fur. Well, I guess I should say feathers, because they're owls. And here I just rolled out a small piece of yellow fondant. I'm going to make their beaks. And of course my lady owl has to have a little bow, so I rolled out a small piece of red fondant. And here I'm just making a little indent on either side of that red fondant here, and there you go, there's a little bow. Oh my god, she's adorable. Next, I'm gingerly placing the owls into the carved out heart shape. And here I'm rolling out some really thin strands of brown fondant. And I'm just following that line of the heart to kind of make it look like little tiny branches. Next, I rolled out two larger pieces of fondant and I made them spiral, cut them, and that's going to be the branch that they're sitting on. Look at that, it's so adorable. So here it is, guys. Here is the realistic tree stump owl cake. I hope you like it. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. I will see all of y'all next week. Mwah!